Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum, obviously we are waiting here for that 5-wave move down to complete. I think it could already be complete. The expectation worked out. We expected a break to the downside of the triangle and we reached here the 1895 level. Haven't reached 1875, but we have reached the level below the third wave low. That fulfills at least the minimum requirements for the fifth wave. So from that point of view, 5 waves down are basically complete. Does it mean the move down is complete? No, because we could still get one more low here. As always, there is always another low, but I think it is not unlikely to get another low. Still though, I wouldn't bet on it anymore. I wouldn't bet on it. It is very much possible that this fifth wave here that we can see gets one more tiny low. A small 1-2 might be hidden here. 3, this wave 4 might be a triangle, and the wave 5 down. Just to give you an idea of the micro count, they are not reliable though. Still though, this consolidation with lower highs and higher lows indicates we could have a tiny triangle play out here. We could get one more low. If you take, like, you know, how you traditionally would do it, if you take sort of the height of the triangle here at the beginning, and then you go to the, well, normally Elliott Wave would tell you to start that, to do that at the end of the E wave. So yeah, basically, the target would have been here 1902, but it can also send you a bit lower, of course. You know, for me, it's like, okay, look, we've got 5 waves down now. I wouldn't bet anymore that we go down directly lower, but I think it is likely. So that means we need to be ready for a possible turnaround in a B wave before we then finally come down in a C wave. So just sort of sketching out what we talked about before. Now we have, because we have a potential 5-wave move down, I can put resistance on the chart for B. That is valuable because it means if we now get a larger bounce, we have an area to work with. We have a potential target area. B waves are always extremely difficult to forecast, so they can be very short, they can be very long, but this is sort of a standard retracement area for a B wave, which I would expect price to go if we have formed a lasting low here. At the moment, I have no evidence we have. I mean, not the lasting low, but a local low. At the moment, I have no evidence that it has happened, but if price gets above the 4th wave high, which is here at 1936, I think we have confirmation we are in the B wave, and then I would be confident that this is the B wave, and should head into this region where I would expect a reaction, then a C wave down. So what that means is in the very short term, we need to be watching, okay, do we get another low? And I think, again, another tiny low would be likely. Relevant support would be 1875 in my opinion. So I'm still watching for another low. However, it enables us now, this structure, to put a resistance on the chart for B. Why is that so important? It is important because we are ready now for a larger bounce in B. And it also tells us if we break above $2,000, sustained, yeah, if we get a sustained break above that level, and then followed by a break above 2028, that we are already likely in the 3rd wave rally. So this is the alternative. So talk just about the primary count. And now the alternative would be that the move down here is just a C wave, but it would be too short for a C wave. Wouldn't be happy with it. So therefore, primary scenario is this move down is A, we get B, and then C. That's what I'm watching for primarily in the very short term. Still reasonable to expect the drop to 1875, but we don't need it anymore. Therefore, I'm now starting to watch for a larger corrective bounce, yeah? Not an impulsive bounce, but a corrective bounce to above the wave 4 high. And then we can enter that area and then ideally from there down. That's what I see now, what I think is the most likely structure. Analyzing here the micro level, of course, which can change quickly. But this is sort of what I'm watching for. You should now be aware of all the relevant levels, support as well as resistance. And let's see what happens. But it seems at least some volatility, at least some action today. So I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.